What traffic laws do drivers need to keep in mind regarding scooters in California? Pretty much all the same laws that you normally adhere to, but more specifically, you need to understand that scooters also have a right to use the road. So the scooters where people are sitting up on them, those are treated just like any other motor vehicle. And so you want to make sure and keep your eyes peeled for smaller vehicles, because that is the biggest cause of scooter accidents is motorists not seeing them or not anticipating, that they are closer than they appear. And then as far as like the stand-up scooters, those are, they're meant to be, they're in that gray area because they're not pedestrians, they're not actual motorists, but they are meant to be on the roads and share the roads with cars and other vehicles, but they are meant to be kept as far to the right as possible to sort of allow traffic to pass by them. But when you do pass them, it's like a cyclist, right? So a cyclist is allowed to be on the road just like a motor vehicle, but if they aren't going with the same flow of traffic, they're supposed to stay as farther to the right as possible to allow traffic to pass. So when you do pass them, you want to make sure and give them a good distance. Don't try and just like whip past them, and because if they have one little, off movement, then they could hit the side of your car, and then who's at fault? You don't even want to get yourself in that situation. So give them a nice wide berth when you go around them. Go nice and slow. Just pay attention to what's going on in the road, and also if you are yielding at a intersection to make a left turn, and you see a two-wheeled vehicle or any sort of scooter coming toward you, play it safe and wait for them to clear the intersection first. You might think you could zip through and beat them to make your left turn, but oftentimes that's the number one cause of two-wheeled vehicle accidents and scooter accidents. So avoid doing that.